Awesome Stories was founded and exists to provide teachers and students with an entry to learning through story, leveraging the excitement of media and the depth of authentic primary sources. Everyone knows students, and really everyone learns best through stories. And here there are stories that cover everything from wars, biography, science, politics, art, and modern life through film. Every story is jam-packed with primary sources you can trust. Teachers tell us they could never find the time to find the connections from story to subjects across the curriculum. And at Awesome Stories, that research has been done. Relevant, trustworthy links that are there for teachers and students to choose. Our videos, images, and documents are all introduced with well-written, informative, resourceful articles that give context and open new lines of inquiry. Awesome Stories provides educators and learners with the tools to take traditional subject matter and turn it into a 3D blockbuster.